Hey guys, I have another center design for your wall hanging to share with you today. Here's what the finished piece looks like. I hope you enjoy it. Let's jump right in. Cut 4 pieces of 4mm rope in the color light taupe, each piece is 6 feet long. Set them aside for now. Cut 10 additional pieces of the same rope, but this time cut 4-foot pieces. Attach one 4-foot piece to your dowel on the left and right sides of your work using 2 constrictor knots. If you do not know how to tie a constrictor knot, please see the description for a link. Attach the second 4-foot piece to your dowel on the outer sides of the first piece using, again, 2 constrictor knots. Fold your 4 6-foot pieces of rope in half and attach them to the inner rope using lark's head knots as I've done here. Fold 4 of the 4-foot pieces of rope in half and attach them to the left side of the inner rope as I'm doing here using lark's head knots. Using the 2 cords on the left, tie 4 alternating half hitches. Bring the cords behind the horizontal cord in front and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Grab the next 2 cords on the right and tie 5 alternating half hitches. Bring the cords behind the horizontal cord and tie 2 double half hitches as you did with the first 2 cords. Repeat that process with the next 2 cords on the right. Repeat with the next 2 cords on the right, but tie 6 instead of 5 alternating half hitches. Repeat that process on the right side of your work. Here's what it should look like. Tie a square knot diamond in the center of your work. Follow along as I show you how, or check out my square knot diamond tutorial linked below for a more in-depth tutorial on how to tie this diamond. We're going to add a little detailing to the bottom of the diamond using double half hitch knots. Follow along as I show you how. From here, there are lots of possibilities as to how to add to this piece to complete it. Personally, I would add 1 or 2 sections of diamonds that drape down from the sides and connect in the middle. Then I would add fringe to the outer sides of those sections to complete the piece. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one.